May mga tanong na mahirap sabihin ng harapan, kaya minsan, isinusulat na lang. Mga kwento ng puso at mga aral ng buhay. Ako si Rod Mercado. Ito ang Dear Kuya Rod. Dear Kuya Rod, I've been with my boyfriend for 3 years now. Mahal ko siya, and I can see a future with him. But there's something that's been bothering me for a long time. Every time I try to talk about money, our financial status or savings, plans, responsibilities, he shuts me down. He changes the topic. He avoids the conversation. Minsan he even jokes about it. At first I thought baka hindi lang siya komportable. But it's been years and nothing changes. Kuya Rod, I'm not asking for perfection. I just want clarity. I want to know, where are we going? Are we financially aligned? Responsible ba siya? Pero paano kami magpaplano ng future kung simpleng usapang pera, iniiwasan niya? Kuya Rod, red flag na ba ito? O ako lang ang masyadong seryoso? Mula sa ating kapatid, confused but hopeful. Let's be honest. A lot of relationships failed not because of lack of love, but because of lack of alignment. And one of the biggest areas of misalignment is actually money. Kapag ang isang tao iniiwasan ng usapang pera, it usually means one of three things. Hindi siya handa, hindi siya responsable, or hindi ka niya nakikita sa long-term plan niya. Masakit yun, pero totoo. Because mature love is not afraid of real conversation. If someone sees you in their future, they will prepare with you, not avoid you. So here's what you need to do. Stop having casual attempts. Start having intentional conversations. Tell him directly, I'm not asking for perfection. I'm asking for direction. If we can talk about money, how can we build a life together? And then you observe. Because his response will tell you everything. Not his words, his actions. If he continues to avoid, then you have to ask yourself, am I building a future? Or am I just hoping for one? Because hope without clarity is emotional risk. And you deserve better than guessing.